Top 7 vegetables to clean arteries and prevent heart attacks. A healthy heart is the foundation of a long and fulfilling life. One of the best ways to maintain cardiovascular health is through a balanced diet, and vegetables play a crucial role in this regard. Certain vegetables are packed with nutrients that can help clean arteries and reduce the risk of heart attacks. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 vegetables that you should incorporate into your diet to promote heart health. 1. Kale. Kale, often celebrated as the king of leafy greens, boasts an exceptional profile of heart-boosting nutrients and deserves a closer look for its remarkable contributions to cardiovascular health. At the heart of kale's heart-healthy reputation is its significant vitamin K content. Vitamin K plays a pivotal role in heart health by helping to prevent the accumulation of calcium in the arteries. When calcium builds up in arterial walls, it can lead to arterial blockages, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Kale's ample supply of vitamin K contributes to the maintenance of clean and pliable arteries, reducing the risk of these dangerous blockages and the associated cardiovascular complications. 2. Spinach. Spinach, a vibrant green leafy vegetable, stands as a nutritional powerhouse with an impressive array of health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach is a versatile addition to a heart-healthy diet. One of its standout features is its folate content. Folate, a B vitamin, plays a critical role in cardiovascular health. It aids in reducing levels of homocysteine, an amino acid known to be a risk factor for heart disease. By maintaining lower homocysteine levels, spinach contributes to the prevention of arterial damage and reduces the likelihood of heart-related issues. Additionally, the high fiber content in spinach further bolsters its heart protective properties. Fiber assists in managing cholesterol levels, specifically by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. 3. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, with their vibrant hues and delectable flavors, not only add a burst of color to your dishes but also bring a wealth of heart-boosting nutrients to the table. Among their many attributes, bell peppers are notably rich in vitamins C and A, both of which play integral roles in supporting cardiovascular health. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, serves as a guardian of your arteries, shielding them from oxidative damage. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C contributes to maintaining the elasticity and health of blood vessels, which is crucial in preventing atherosclerosis and heart-related complications. Beyond their vitamin content, bell peppers offer a valuable contribution to heart health through their dietary fiber. Fiber not only promotes healthy digestion but also plays a pivotal role in managing cholesterol levels. It binds to cholesterol molecules in the digestive tract, reducing their absorption into the bloodstream. This cholesterol-lowering effect is instrumental in preventing the buildup of arterial plaque and maintaining clear, unobstructed arteries. 4. Asparagus. Asparagus, often celebrated for its unique flavor and slender spears, stands as a versatile and nutrient-packed vegetable that plays a commendable role in safeguarding your heart's health. At the core of its heart-protective properties is its substantial folate content. Folate, a B vitamin essential for heart health, performs a pivotal function by contributing to the maintenance of artery health. It does so by supporting the reduction of homocysteine levels, an amino acid known to be a risk factor for heart disease. By ensuring lower homocysteine levels, asparagus actively participates in the prevention of arterial damage and the subsequent risk of heart-related issues. Furthermore, asparagus offers a variety of antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors often associated with heart disease. 5. Beets. Beets, with their strikingly vibrant hue and a treasure trove of health benefits, emerge as a nutritional powerhouse that can make a substantial impact on your cardiovascular well-being. One of the standout features of beets is their rich nitrate content. Nitrates, naturally occurring compounds in beets, play a pivotal role in promoting heart health. When consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a molecule renowned for its ability to dilate blood vessels. This vasodilation effect is instrumental in improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension and associated heart complications. Additionally, beets are a commendable source of dietary fiber, an essential component in maintaining a healthy heart. Fiber serves as a vital ally in cholesterol management by binding to cholesterol molecules in the digestive tract, hindering their absorption into the bloodstream. This action contributes to lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, thereby minimizing the risk of arterial plaque buildup and supporting clear, unobstructed arteries. 6. Avocado. Avocado, often regarded as nature's creamy treasure, stands out as a truly unique fruit due to its exceptional nutritional composition, primarily characterized by its richness in heart-protective monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats are the heart's allies in the battle against high cholesterol levels, particularly the LDL, bad cholesterol that can lead to artery clogging and cardiovascular problems. Avocado's monounsaturated fats help reduce LDL cholesterol while leaving HDL, good cholesterol levels intact. This balance is essential for maintaining clear and healthy arteries, thereby reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Furthermore, avocados are a significant source of potassium, a critical mineral for cardiovascular health. Potassium acts as a natural vasodilator, which means it helps relax blood vessels, facilitating smoother blood flow and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By regulating blood pressure, avocados play a pivotal role in preventing hypertension, a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, often celebrated for their vibrant red hue and succulent flavor, harbor a remarkable secret within their juicy pulp: lycopene, a potent antioxidant with profound implications for heart health. Lycopene, a carotenoid pigment responsible for tomatoes' rich color, is hailed for its role in reducing the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidant properties are particularly beneficial for cardiovascular well-being. Lycopene helps safeguard arteries from oxidative damage, a process linked to the development of atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. Beyond its antioxidant prowess, lycopene demonstrates an ability to enhance blood vessel function. By improving the flexibility and function of blood vessels, lycopene promotes smoother blood flow, reducing the risk of hypertension and its associated complications. Moreover, lycopene is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which play a significant role in mitigating heart disease risk. Chronic inflammation is recognized as a key driver of cardiovascular conditions, and lycopene's ability to reduce inflammation adds another layer of protection for the heart. Incorporating these 7 vegetables into your diet can go a long way in helping you maintain clean arteries and reduce the risk of heart attacks. Remember that a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are essential for optimal heart health. By making these vegetables a staple in your meals, you can take significant steps towards a healthier heart and a longer, more fulfilling life. If you find this information helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video.